they went kind of like.
Let's do it one more time.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Higher?
That's it.
It's a heavy frame. So I don't know like. You know what I mean?
2, 3.
Could you catch it before we? Yeah, because it's a heavy.